Hi, welcome. Today I'm going to be painting a mural for a camp adventure room. So it's going to have a pathway with a little log cabin, some forest and trees. I'm excited to get started. Here I'm painting the pathway leading up to the little log cabin. Next I started work on the tree trunks, and I had a couple guest special helpers. This is the base coat for the grass, and I use a mix of different greens and browns to just try and already give it a bit of texture. But there'll be another layer that will come on top to give it more highlights and shadows. For the trees start off looking like green clouds, just kind of mixes of different greens, yellowy greens and more blue greens. But then I'll come back later and add more detail and texture. I'm adding some of the details in the background, including a little log cabin. I will use some glow-in-the-dark paint on the windows and some other features for a little extra fun for visitors that come. They can use flashlights to charge up the windows and they'll glow. Now I'm going back in for a second coat, and as I go I'm adding a few little details, some little hidden doors. We wanted this forest to be magical, so there are some fun little elements, little doors and mushrooms and little paths. Going in with that second layer of adding highlights and shadow and texture just to give the painting more depth and detail. Alright, so mural's completed. I'm excited to show you the final results. This mural is located in a vacation rental near Asheville, North Carolina. I'll have the link in my description, so if you want to come check it out for yourself, go ahead and book your stay. And here's the final results.